Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can fix if you couldn't able to sign in into the Gmail account on the Gmail app. See, when you try to open Gmail, then click on these three dots, then click on the settings. When you try to add a new account, new Google account, it will ask your phone password. Once you give the phone password, if something like couldn't sign in, there was a problem communicating with Google servers, try again later, you can do three troubleshooting steps so that this problem will be fixed and now you can log in with your Gmail account. Okay, first of all, click on your phone settings, then here search for the apps or app management. For few mobiles it will be like apps and notifications. Click on all the apps and click on this three dot and click on show system apps. Remember, once you click on the show system apps, then only this Google Play services will be visible for you. You need to first open Google Play services app, and under storage you need to clear this cache. Restart your mobile and do the step trying to add a new account, and there you will see sign in page. If this doesn't work, then next you need to search for the Google app on your mobile. So yes, this is the Google app. Press and hold on this and click on the app info, and just the same action, click on the storage and click on the clear cache and restart your mobile as usual. And the third step is press and hold on the Google Play Store and click on the app info, then click on the storage and click on the clear cache and restart your mobile. For sure, if you do all these three steps, and then when you try to sign in, you'll get this sign in page. So now you can enter your email ID and the password, then you click on this account. Next, this new Gmail account will get add to your device. If you do have any other problems and issues, or if this issue is not solving for you, please do comment so that I'll try to help you with replying you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.